In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an annotated bibliography using ChatGPT. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or just someone who wants to create a well-organized annotated bibliography, this guide will simplify the process by leveraging the power of AI. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google. The easiest way to start is by going to Google because it's a universal starting point that everyone can access. Once you're there, it's time for our next step, which is to type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will bring up a list of results, and what you're looking for is the official ChatGPT website. Go ahead and click on that link to open the site. Now that you have ChatGPT's webpage open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see a search bar, which is going to be our tool for interacting with the AI. Click on that search bar to activate it. It should be simple since it's designed to be very user-friendly, even if you're not tech-savvy. Now, it's time to input your prompt. For demonstration purposes, let's use an example. Type in the following. Generate an annotated bibliography entry for a well-known work, Paulo Freire's Pedagogy of the Oppressed. But feel free to replace this with any source you're interested in. Your prompt can be customized to fit the particular work you need to create an entry for. With your prompt all ready to go, the next step is to hit submit. While this may sound trivial, it's interesting to note how the AI works. ChatGPT processes your request using complex algorithms to produce accurate and informative responses, making it a great tool for generating bibliography annotations swiftly. Once you've submitted, the AI will provide you with an annotated bibliography entry. Take this opportunity to review the information it has provided. Make sure that everything aligns with the requirements of the specific citation style you're following, whether it's APA, MLA, Chicago, or another. Although ChatGPT is highly accurate, it's always good practice to double-check the details, such as publication date, author's name, and the key themes or arguments the work addresses. And there you have it, a comprehensive and easily generated annotation, all thanks to ChatGPT. Writing an annotated bibliography can feel like a daunting task, but with these steps, it's much simpler. This AI tool can save you time and effort while ensuring quality and accuracy in your work. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!